Rabbi Shimon Gamliel said, there are three things that keep the world in existence. We already learned that there were three things that keep the world, upon which the world stands. And now he's saying that there are three things, says Rabbi Gamliel, that keep the world in existence. Aladin, ala emet, ala shalom. On law, on truth, and on peace. We'll see what this means. Shnei like it says, emet u'mishpat, shalom shaftu b'sharechem. Like it says, truth and justice, peace will rule in your gates. Rambam says, what is Hadin, the law? Three things keeps the world going. What is it? Law. This is namely that there's a government which is honest government. Truth. What's truth? Truth means understanding, proper guiding values. And shalom, but shalom means emotions. Malot amidot. A lot of times you can have a good government and people are after true values, right? Intellectually, but emotionally they can't keep themselves away from forbidden things. If you find these three, then there will be wholesomeness in the world without any doubt. Let's look at what Bartanura says. The three things that the world stands upon. Namely, what does it mean that it stands upon? That society of humanity can exist. This is not like the same thing like we learned before, upon which the world stands. That's talking about the very basis. We're talking about the basis of the world connecting to God, the Creator. Three things that keeps the world. The Creator founded His world upon. That's what we said, Torah and Avot and Gemilah Chasadim. Here we're talking about three things that keep society going. Yeshuva shel bnei Adam. Three things. One is law and order. That we have good judges and the judges judge properly. Like we said about that before, in all the prayers that we pray, the only one we say, God, please remove from us mourning and misery, is the prayer where we pray for good judges. If there's not good judges, that's the worst of all. Because everything can be working fine, you have a terrible judge. Everything is upside down. It says the judge has to find the innocent and the guilty. On the truth, that people shouldn't lie one to the other. If there's lying and deceit, then society can't go on. You don't know how to trust. There's no business. There won't be any more business anymore. You can't trust anybody. Everybody has to pay with cash. And then you always worry maybe the cash is false and maybe the merchandise he's selling me is false. There has to be truth. And on peace, what does it mean? Peace between your country and the country next door, and between one man and another. In other words, people appreciate differences. You're willing to live with someone who's different than you. That's what it means that the world is sustained by means of law, truth, and peace. Law means there should be proper judges. Truth means that people should be interested in saying what's right and not lying. And the third one is that there should be peace between people, able to appreciate someone else and overlook the faults of others. Have a good day. God willing, tomorrow we'll start second chapter of Mishnahs of Pirtki Avot. Be with us tomorrow, 8:15 in the morning, and we're discussing more exactly why the Jews had to travel in the desert and how that's a preparation for Mashiach. 8:15. Hope to see you all. Shalom, everyone. Thank you for coming.